Hi all, it's September 14th, about 6:30 in the evening. We are at the Hoover Dam, and one nice thing about out west is you can just park anywhere in the national forests. So we are parking for the evening.
Or BLM land here.
It's, my husband says this is BLM land, Bureau of Land Management. And this is our chariot, Elizabeth, and my husband. Hi. We're getting the generator ready. It's about
95 right now.
95 right now, 94. And we will be at the dam tomorrow. So, talk to you later. Bye. Bye-bye.